I'm ranking the 5 worst color decisions I see over and over, from bad to the one that's in almost every rental apartment. Number 3 is probably in your house right now. Number 5, all gray everything. It's not offensive, it's just nothing. Gray walls, gray furniture, gray floors. You've removed all contrast, and contrast is what makes a room feel alive. Add one warm material, even just wood tone, and the whole room breathes again. Here's how that quick adjustment completely elevates the final room. Number 4, mismatching your wall undertones with your lighting temperature. You picked a cool gray because it looked sophisticated in the store, but your lighting is warm. Now every wall looks slightly dirty, and you don't know why. This is the single most common color complaint I get from clients, and it's not the paint's fault. Here is the golden rule. Dictate your colors by your lighting, or dictate your lighting by your colors. Either paint for the light you have or buy the light for the paint you want. And consult this lighting guide. Number 3, and this is the one I called out earlier, all white minimalist. It photographs beautifully. It feels like nothing when you're actually living in it. Trends built for a camera aren't always built for a home. Same colors, just give them texture to live in. And suddenly it stops feeling like a showroom. Here's how that quick adjustment completely elevates the final room. Number 2, choosing a bold, saturated color without accounting for your room's actual light exposure. What looked moody and rich on Pinterest becomes a cave in a room that only gets indirect light. You don't have to abandon the color, you have to adjust it for the light you actually have. Here's how that quick adjustment completely elevates the final room. And number 1, the one I opened with, the average home bedroom, cool grays plus warm 2700 Kelvin lighting, plus honey oak floor, plus matte blackish accent walls. All 4 elements competing. It's not one mistake. It's 3 mistakes stacked on top of each other, and that's what makes a room feel actively uncomfortable to sit in. This is what the same room looks like when the palette actually works with the architecture, not against it. Here's how that quick adjustment completely elevates the final room. Chances are, at least one of these is sitting in your home right now. Tell me which one in the comments. I'll actually reply and tell you the fastest fix for your specific case.